Bran muffins, they will actually ask for again and again. These muffins start with butter, but we're going to start by melting it first. By melting the butter and letting the solids brown, we're going to boost flavor right from jump. Once you see that foam, you know you're close. Pull it back and you're going to see those graham-colored solids. I'm going to scrape those up from the bottom of the pan. I want all that flavor. Set that aside to cool before you use it. Even Bran muffins need all-purpose flour for structure, 312 grams, and 50 grams of whole wheat flour for flavor. A teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder for leaveners, and 9 grams of fine salt. It's always best to sift. See, you don't want those hard bits in your muffins. Once that butter's firmed up, we're going to cream it with 350 grams of brown sugar. These are going to be good. You can really smell that butter. Going with the eggs one at a time. 4 in total. Room temperature, of course. Vanilla and molasses for flavor. And sneak in a little fresh grated ginger for spice. And alternate dry, wet, dry with yogurt and whole milk. You could use buttermilk or sour cream in milk, whatever you want. Nutmeg, freshly grated. You could add pumpkin spice, cinnamon, but I'm just adding nutmeg and that ginger. And wheat bran, 87 grams, goes in at the end. And raisins, big fat raisins if you can get them. And stop, you're done. Don't overmix. 1 second, I'm about to tell you something about just spraying the muffin tin. Ignore that and use muffin liners. Carry on. You could line your muffin tin, but I prefer just to spray mine. And a scooper will make easy work of filling your tin up. And before they go in, these are getting topped with pepitas, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, castor sugar, and finally a little flaky salt. Those are going straight in at 375. Those aren't regular Bran muffins.
It's like dessert Bran muffin.
It's fiber.
I mean, the sugar on top with the seeds.
Fiber is important.
They're not dry, they're moist. Moist Bran. It's not a brick of a muffin.
You keep you moving.
Fluffy, light, yummy Bran muffins. It's good. That's a great way to get your fiber.
Stop taking pills. Eat more Bran muffins.
Yeah, that's not like any Bran muffin I've had before.